6 Bible verses that will make you feel better. Number 1. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Isaiah 60:22. Number 2. Jesus replied, You do not realize now what I am doing, but later you will understand. John 13:7. Number 3. You are going to make it. Trust me. Psalms 2:3. Number 4. I have heard your prayer. I have seen your tears. Surely I will heal you. 2 Kings 29:5. Number 5. Remember that I am always with you until the end of time. Matthew 28:20. Number 6. The pain that you've been feeling can't compare to the joy that is coming. Romans 8:18. Drop an amen if you have God in your heart. God bless you.